Did you know that the tallest waterfall in the world, Angel Falls in Venezuela, stands nearly 1,000 meters high? But here's the incredible part during the dry season. The water often doesn't even reach the ground. That's right. Because of the extreme height, most of the water evaporates or turns into mist before it can hit the base of the cliff. It's like nature is performing a magic trick, defying gravity in the most unexpected way. Just imagine, a waterfall that disappears midair. Mind-blowing, isn't it? If you love strange and fascinating facts like this, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications for more mind-opening content every day.